Make spicy baked French fry wedges. Potatoes are used in many dishes around the world. They are rich in phytochemicals, vitamin C, potassium, iron, and zinc. They can also be eaten on their own by baking, frying, and boiling. You can make mashed or baked potato which you can serve as side dish at your meals. French fries are the usual menu in fast food restaurants and they are one of the favorite choices of the customers. You might think it's so easy to make your own French fries that you can actually make them at home anytime. But the best thing about this article is that it has cooking instructions that you can follow if you are bored making your ordinary fries. To make your fries tastier and different from the fries that you buy from fast food restaurants, here's a spicy baked French fry wedges recipe for you. You can make this for your family movie nights or while watching TV with friends. Here are the steps on how to make spicy baked French fry wedges. Prepare the things that you will need. They are potatoes, chili powder, hot sauce, olive oil, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and chili flakes. Expect the wedges to be spicy obviously because of the hot ingredients. Prepare the oven. Since you will be making spicy baked French fry wedges, you will be using an oven to bake this recipe. Turn on the oven and set the temperature to 450 degrees. You need to preheat the oven so that it will be hot enough when you're ready to bake the wedges. This will make cooking faster than turning on the oven when you're about to bake the wedges. Prepare the baking pan. Get a baking pan and make sure that it is clean. This is where you will put the potatoes when you are ready to bake them. Cut potatoes. Get the potatoes and wash them with tap water. Make potato wedges by cutting the potatoes. Once you were able to cut all the potatoes, put the wedges on the baking pan. Add ingredients to the potatoes. Now that you have the wedges on the baking pan, it's time to add the ingredients that will make your French fry wedges tasty and spicy. First, add some oil to the potatoes and put garlic powder on them. To spice up this recipe, add chili powder. Once chili powder is added, follow with chili flakes and then add hot sauce. Determine how much chili powder, hot sauce, and chili flakes to put on by depending upon your taste. If you will be sharing the fries with others, you also need to consider if they can handle spicy foods. Lessen the spicy ingredients if you will be sharing this with people who are not really into spicy foods. Once all the main ingredients are added, season with salt and pepper. Mix the ingredients. To prevent the wedges from breaking or being smashed, you need to use your bare hands in mixing the ingredients. Make sure that you wash your hands thoroughly before mixing the ingredients. You can also use plastic gloves to mix these. Coat the wedges properly with the mixture to make the potato wedges flavorful. Bake spicy French fry wedges. Once the wedges are well coated with spice, you are now ready to bake the coated potatoes. Put the baking pan in the preheated oven. This will take about 45 minutes to cook. If you want to make your wedges crispier, you can leave these in the oven longer. You can also make this recipe cheesy by topping the wedges with shredded cheese. Put cheese on top of the wedges. Leave them for another minute in the oven for the cheese to melt. You can then remove the baking pan from the oven and enjoy your spicy baked French fry wedges.